Hello, babes. It's all about Jacquemus. 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 Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your babe, Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. Today is all about my first luxury handbag from Jacquemus. Yes, so I've heard so many things about this brand called Jacquemus. I said, you know what? Yeah, and it won't cost that much for me to try it as well. So I started to treat myself with the bags, and I'm going to share with you guys what can fit inside the bags as well. And I ordered mine in Jacquemus website. So at the time I wanted to order, because I watched so many YouTube videos to see people's thoughts if worth investing. All the reviews I watched, they say like the bags, the brand is good, and that they always do sales all the time. I remember one of the girls, I can't remember, I'll put her details in the info section because she owns so many of Jacquemus bag, but she said as well this brand tends to go on sale all the time, that I should not advise anyone to get it in full price, or you can get pre-loved ones. So I said, okay, let me wait for, I don't even know when they are going to do sales, but I said, you know what, I'm going to buy one and wait when they are on sales so that I can order more. I want to buy something that I don't have, like colors that can fit in my wardrobe, and something that can be versatile. Like, I don't want something that I'm going to buy and I'll not make use of it. So I want something that will be like everyday wear for me. So at the time I was contemplating which one to buy and what color to buy. Luckily they went on sale, so I decided to buy 2 bags from them. So the shipping was I ordered it on Sunday, and Sunday is holidays, and it came on Wednesday, so it didn't take that long for it to arrive to my place. So, and it comes in, I've already unboxed it, and I've done my unboxing video as well. So, and it came in a box like this. So because I bought 2, so they come individual boxes like this. So you're gonna open it like that, like this. So here on the box you got Jacquemus, and this is for a return label, so if you want to return it. And so this is what you got inside. So yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, but this thing is so hard to open, so you're going to check before you open. So this is hard to open. You can even hold your leg on the wall and just to push it before it opens. So this is that. Yeah, I don't know which one is this. Yeah, and inside the box you got the card, the authenticated card. Yeah, let me see. This is my scan, maybe for returning if I don't like it. So this is that. So yeah, I picked this Le Chiquito Moyen. Yes, so, and it comes in a seal. I don't know if you guys can see a seal here, but I don't want to rip it because since I can open the bag, no need. And yeah, so this is the dust bag, and it has a Jacquemus name on it. So, and you can draw is a draw strap for it. So you want to see what I got? Yeah. So before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and to keep up with me, and comment if you like what I pick, and if you own Jacquemus bag, which color do you buy, and what do you fancy about the bag? Do you like it or not? I would like to hear your thoughts as well, and help me share my video so that others can see it. And thank you for my subscribers and your continued support as well. So this is the bag. So this is La Chiquito. Is a French name. This is Le Chiquito Moyen in dark navy color. So I said that I'm looking for a blue bag, but so this is the only blue bag because I wanted this design. So this is the only color blue that they have on this design. So I wanted something like blue, because I don't have blue bag. I want something like blue bag, like everyday blue bag you can style with your jean, and you can style it with everything. So this is the only one that I see, so I decided to pick it. I love this handle. So mine is in a medium size because it comes in 3 sizes: the smaller one, this medium, and the bigger one. I don't want the smaller size because it can't fit anything. The big one is too big for my lifestyle, so that's why I picked this medium one. So according to them, they say it's a signature handbag, rubber size leather and linen bag. It has a reinforced handle, magnet flip closure. You open it, then yeah, it's magnet and close. So this is what is inside. You got your strap, and you got Jacquemus card inside. So you got interior pocket, and the bag is fully lined with cotton. So yeah, I love this gold metal hardware because this is what makes the bag to stand out, you know. They say how to maintain it. To maintain the original condition of this item, we recommend to avoid direct and overexposure of light, contact with cosmetics, water or heat. So store in a dust bag in a dry place. And the blue is like a suede blue. So but they didn't say, but it looks like a suede blue. And with this handle, if your hands, because of the material of this bag, if you have oil in your hand and put it here, it's going to stain it. And they have cosmetics or any lip liner, any dirt that is in your hand can easily transfer on this bag because of the way the material is. It's like a suede material. So, and this is how the bag looks like. So here, and it has like something like cutouts. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the strap, and it's adjustable. So it has a, yeah, you can see the hook. So it has 5 holes for adjusting the handle. So you're gonna clip it here, and on the hand buckle, it has it's a gold hand buckle with Jacquemus on it. So and it has this here to hold the bag down, so it doesn't like the flap to hold it down. So this is the bag. Show you guys what can fit inside this bag. I'm going to put my card here. My phone cannot fit in, so it's so sad. So just my key, cable, my tissue, my compass, my pencil because it's not that long. I forgot my pen because I always have pen with me, and lipstick. And you still have rooms. Yeah, you still have a little bit room here. So on my, let's see. So I put my hand cream. Put this. So let's close it. It's closed, but when you see by the side, like it has too much going on. So here is fine, but this side is bunky. Oh, because of the hand cream. So the kind of hand cream that can go inside here is the round hand cream. Like this one cannot go, or like a small one can fit in. So let's try to close it again. So yeah, so this is everything that can fit inside this bag. It's so shame that my phone cannot fit it, because I want this bag to be like my everyday bag, because sometimes I might be wearing clothes that has no pocket. So will I have bag and still hold my phone in the hand? And I don't want to buy the big one. Oh my god. So this is how you can see my phone cannot fit inside the bag. And I tried to force it. It went in, but you can see here it's how here like a flop out. Here flop out. So it's going to like and give it another shape, you know. So when I close it, when I tried to close it, it closed, but it was hard for me to close it. But then it still have some space here, because my phone, I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max, because you know it's long, so the longness of it make it to have, yeah. So I love the bag, but I don't know if to keep it or if to return it. I don't know. But why I want to return it, because of my phone. I want something that is going to fit my phone. But I don't know if I can keep it, because at least it fits my phone, but it gives the bag another structure. So I'm looking at the longevity of this bag. Is it going to last for me, or if my phone is going to spoil it, like because like when I put my phone, you can see it makes it expand by the two sides, or should I buy another one that will be compatible with my phone? So I don't know, but I like the bag. I don't know, because it's a blue color, I like it. So yeah. So the second one is this one, comes in the same box as well, with a dust bag, and here it says Jacquemus on here, so it's the same. So this is that. So this one is called Rasak brand. So it's a dark brown bag. I bought it because of the shape, because I've not seen something like this before, and I don't own something like this before. That's why I bought it, and you can see me looking through it. And you can fit in your shoulder like this, yeah. So, and they come with a strap, so if you don't want to have it with the strap, you can have it on your shoulder, and you can have it at the hand. So, and they have another color which is black. I wish it has other colors. I could have picked it in another color, just I don't want to have black. But when you look at it in front here, you can see the leather here is not smooth. I don't know why, it kind of crease here. I don't know, is it because of the round shape? That is why it's not smooth. So, and it has the interior all over it, and at the back as well. So inside you got the authenticated card, and then the strap. And this one, you can see this one is more magnetic to compare like the other one. So it's a magnetic closure, so when you make it and it closes. So, and the lining inside is cotton lining. So, and the pocket, you see, you get something like this here. I don't know, yeah, which says Jacquemus. So, and the gold hardware that says Jacquemus as well. So this is how this one looks like. And yeah, I like this one, but I'm not sure, I don't know why is it like this, but I don't know. But can you see me? I like it, but I like this one more because it can fit my phone and other things. So because of the how long it is. So yeah, it just, and on the buckle here it has Jacquemus name on it, and the same. Yeah, so hard to put. So, but this strap has no, it's not adjustable strap. So yeah, I thought it was adjustable like the other one. Yeah, so we are going to try it and see how it's going to fit, since it's not adjustable. So guys, this is what can fit inside Lasac round bag by Jacquemus. So this is inside. So let's see, I'm going to put my phone here, my phone first, then I'll put my tissue, put my lipstick, put my compacts, so put my pencil, put my keys by the side here, my card and my license, driver's license, I'll put it here. Normally I always have my hand cream with me, so let's see if it's going to fit in. So hand cream, I'm not sure if this wet lips can fit in, so yeah, it's just on the top. So let's close it and see. Yeah, it can close, so I'm going to take this out, see if it's going to help. Yeah, it's better. But normally I always carry my cable, but I don't think the cable can fit. Let's see, put my cable on top. Yeah, it fits. And normally I carry my power bank with me, so this is my power bank, but it can't fit in. So if it's going to fit in, that means I'm not going to have my hand cream and my compact. So this is what can fit inside Lasac round Jacquemus bag. Yeah, and these two bags is structured. Say you put your phone and put so much things inside it and try to compress it. No, you can't compress it, rather the flap cannot close. It's not a soft bag like you can squish and they force it to close. No, this one is not like that. They made it very structured. When you put so much things inside the bag, it doesn't look good anymore. So yeah, so you have to bear it in mind. And this, yeah, this hand is not structured, it's flexible. You can see like it's flimsy, so it looks like something that is going to break. I don't know like the longevity of it, if it's going to break in future, but it's good. Like if you want to open it, don't open it from here, because doing so might damage the bag. it will be a good idea. If you want to open it, just open it from here. Avoid doing so much with this handle. This handle is just for fancy, like having something like this in your closet, because if you want to open like this, close like this, open. Don't do like this to open it. That means you might break this because it's not structured. It's like a wheel, like it looks like a cardboard, or I don't know what they put inside, but whatever they put inside is not structured. It's so wonky. It's so like it's so soft, like you can see how it flexes. So, and this one, yeah, this one is good, like a handbag is good. So but don't do like this. Even though I don't like doing my bag like this, if you want to open it like here, you are in a haste, you try to do like this. No, I always take my time. If I want to open my bag, I always take my time and open it the right way. So because you don't want to buy expensive bag and just break it because you're in a haste. So, and this one is one of the bags that you have to be very extremely careful with it. So like when you go out and come back, you just put it in a dust bag and put it in a box. It's not like this one, you can put it in a dust bag and leave it like that. This bag is handled me with care. Yeah, I don't know, it's because it's on sale, like it has marks on it here. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see the marks on top of it, and here in the front is not that smooth. It kind of I don't know why it's looking like this, but the back is all right. So I don't know if something I'm going to keep or if something I'm going to return. I don't know for sure. So at the moment, there's these two bags I'm loving from them that I want to buy. So one is La Bambino. I wanted to buy 4 bags at the same time, but I was like, I don't need 4 bags at the same time. Let me buy 2, like the most desired ones I want at the moment that I can wear more often. Then if something I like, say I like the brand, I will like invest on it more. So I love the La Bambino. So I would love to have it in the orange. Maybe before I'll buy it, another color might attract me. I might not buy the orange one because that one, La Bambino, the way the bag is shaped is so nice. And I wanted to buy the blue bag in La Bambino. It's sold out. So another one I want to buy from them is La Pochette Rand Carré. But that one, like everyone has it. I don't know why people say it's always out of stock, because it's on stock. Each time I went to Jacquemus, it's always on stock. So but why I don't want to buy that one, I love it, but I don't want something that I will buy it's just sitting on my closet without me making use of it, because it's a carrier bag. I always love my bag to have a strap, so I can carry it as a strap because I'm a mom, and I have a 4 years old. So you always want to hold her by your hand. So my lifestyle is always like handbag with a strap, so which makes my life easy. So I don't know, but I love that bag. So I don't know how I'm going to do holding it in my hand like this. I'm holding her. Oh, but that bag is so classic. Oh my god, it's so classic, so unique. I love it. I love the metallic color with the gold design at the 2 ends. So I'm thinking about that one. And it's good to invest in bags because bag has a longevity, and you can wear bags more often than often, like use it to style your things than clothes. Clothes is like once you have worn it, you might not fancy wearing it again. But with bags and shoe, it's something that you can style and style and style with so many things. It's not like one wear and it's out. No. But even I have so many places that I go at the moment, so I don't mind buying it because I like it. But I don't want something I will buy that it will be taking away my space, just collecting dust. I don't want that. That's waste of money. Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm going to link all the products mentioned in this video in the info section. And if you love this video, give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And comment which of these bags do you own and why do you like it, and if you are planning to purchase any of their bags again. And share my video so that others can see my channel. And see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys, love you.